Hi guys, welcome. Today's post is a continuation of our reusable theme, but this time we're making reusable cotton balls. You look how cute. You're so little. You can make your own little fabric nuggets that can be used for makeup or skincare. Pop them in a mesh bag and they can be washed for reuse again and again. In the last video, we made reusable cotton rounds from upcycled fabric. If you missed that video, I'll link it up here and also in the description box below. For this project, you'll need cotton fabric, matching thread, polyfill or another stuffing material, a sewing machine, and a hand sewing needle. You'll also need the handy dandy sewing template, and you'll find that linked in the description box below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Are you ready to get rid of another disposable? Let's get making. Use the template to mark your fabric. You can save time when making a big batch by marking all of the cotton balls you plan to make at one time. Cut out all of your fabric rectangles and mark the turning opening on the wrong side of your fabric on each rectangle. Fold the fabric right sides together at the short sides and pin. Sew down the marked side with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, stopping and back stitching at the first opening mark. Lift the foot and slide the fabric forward to the second mark, back stitch a little and continue sewing the seam. This will leave you with a line of stitching with a 1 inch opening. You will now have a fabric tube. Place the seam in the center of one side and finger press the edges. Fold the left and right edges into the tube to the center seam and press flat with your fingers. Pin in place at the top and repeat with the bottom of the tube. You will now have a pleat into the left and right side with a flat front and back. Stitch each end closed. Using the 1 inch opening, turn your fabric inside out so that the right side of the fabric is outside. Stuff your little fabric nugget with polyfill to your preference of firmness. Pin the opening closed. Then gather all of your little stabby marshmallows and your hand sewing supplies and go and watch something on TV or YouTube. And during the ads, sew these closed by hand using a ladder stitch or a basic whip stitch. A ladder stitch is basically taking a little bite with your needle out of the left edge, then a little bite out of the right edge in a ladder formation. When you pull that thread tight, you can't see the stitching. There you have it, DIY cotton balls. Just like with the pads, you can get a drawstring style lingerie washing bag and hang it in your bathroom to collect your used cotton balls and rounds. When it's full, just cinch it up and toss it in a warm wash. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial useful and it helps you to replace yet another disposable with a reusable. Bye guys. Pop them in a mash bag. In the last video, we made reusable cotton rounds from recycled fabric. Upcycled. Reusable cotton. In the last video, we made, why? Last video, oh my God, why? In the last video, we made reusable cotton rounds. Are you ready to get rid of another disposable? Poppin' knuckles. Are you ready to get rid of another? Oh. But I have makeup everywhere. It's fine. It's fine. Did I actually get that right? Holy cow! Yeah.